Everybody, in this video I will be showing you how to create a Selenium project using Maven dependencies on Intellij IDEA compiler. So let's start with creating a new project. Select Java and click next, and give your project a name, my project name, and click finish. After creating your project, double click your project name and right click your source file, new, and add a Java class. I will name my Java class main. Now after creating your main class, you need to write the main function inside it. Now we need to add Maven Support for our project. Right click your project name right here and click Add Framework Support, and then select Maven and click OK. Now the Maven dependency is added to our project. Now we need to create a part for dependencies, and between this part we will enter our dependencies. The first dependency you need to add is classic Selenium standalone server dependency called Selenium Java. I will put it in the description down below, and you will just copy and paste it between these two parts. And I will write what it does: Selenium standalone server. And the second dependency I recommend you to add is Bonigarcia's WebDriverManager dependency. I will also put it in the description, and what this does is actually it sets the driver paths automatically, so you don't need to enter the paths. You will understand it in a while. And click import changes. After that, go to your main class again. So let's start with using Firefox. Let's say Firefox driver manager dot get instance and enter your browser type, driver manager type dot firefox dot setup. Now what this line actually does is it saves us from this. As you know, we were writing the path of the Gecko driver or Chrome driver, doesn't matter. And so with this line we will no longer need this, and so it can run. You can build your project into a jar file and it can run on any computer without needing the path. After that, let's create our Firefox element. WebDriver x equals Firefox driver and let's say x.get and let's say http google.com. and so let's run our project. Right click and run main, and it will run our project. Let's see. Yeah, the Firefox is opened and google.com is here. So we didn't even enter the path of the Gecko driver using this line, and so this is how you create a Selenium project in Intellij IDEA using Maven. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.